Alright guys, so we have 33 hours and 41 minutes left of the cook time. We're running at 136. Doesn't change. We went ahead and covered it up. We can see the water level has gone down just a little bit, maybe about a ½ inch. So we can see the meat has started turning brown. We can definitely see the juices coming up from the meat. Everything is getting all nice and juicy in there. Really pleased with this. Hey guys, welcome back. We're right at 25 hours left in the cook. It's been maintaining 136 pretty well. I did have to add about 2 cups of water to the line. It still looks it's a little bit lower than what I originally filled it at. As we can see, we still have juice flowing from the meat. So as we can see, the lid came in today. This is really cool. We can see all the condensation up at the top. This should help with retaining some of the water instead of having to replace it. It also has a crease in it to where we can open it halfway and we'll be able to, check our food. Everything's looking pretty good. And I'm digging it. I can't wait to taste this tomorrow. So I'll get everything shut. The cool thing is it actually cooks in its own juice 100% of the time, and there's no other cooking method that can say that. Either it gets evaporated or it gets burnt in the pan or it's part of drippings. You make a sauce. This actually is all in the bag. And what I think I'm going to do is make a sauce from what's left in the bag and drizzle over it after I slice it. So I'm really hoping this thing is as good as it's advertised. We'll see.